trust in you with all my heart. I won't try to understand why you've not taken away this burden. I'll just leave it in your hands. 'Cause I know your time is not like mine. I believe you have a plan. Until then, I'll do my best to be strong. Lord, it hurts, but you're still God. I know that you are able to remove this thorn from me. By faith I know you'll make a way, even when I cannot see. You're my only hope in this world, the one I lean upon. Lord, it hurts, but you're still God. So I will not be discouraged, though the battle rages on.